Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shinechain token. Ticker symbol is SC20. Now this token just got listed today, February 17th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, they have a Telegram that you could follow. That is at Shinechain Official Brazil. And if you go over there, they have a full link tree. So even if you speak English, you can go over there and the link tree is there, and they do have English links on there. 2,451 Telegram members, 319 of them are online. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here at Shinechain SC20. Says Shine Startup Ecosystem Blockchain 2.0. They have a bank, a decentralized exchange, centralized exchange, labs, code, base, Polygon, POS, EVM, SC20. And then the link tree is also right there on the Twitter as well. 2,537 followers, blue verified checkmark, 529 posts. So it says Shinechain is the native currency of our proof of stake POS EVM blockchain built on the code base of Polygon Matic, a project conceived in 2021. The V1 of the blockchain operated for a year, and now we are launching the V2. With low gas costs for transactions, it's an excellent blockchain for the inclusion of various types of dApps, as the blockchain has the capacity for simultaneously having 10,000 operations per second and validates blocks every 2 seconds. This token, if you're looking to get it, just got listed today, February 17th at 10 a.m. UTC time, which is already passed. So it is available now on a central exchange called Weex. Now I'm going to put the QR code in the corner of the screen there. There's also going to be a referral code down there in the description box. So if you don't have a Weex account and you're looking to get the Shinechain token, all you would have to do is just go right through that Weex referral code down there, open an account. You would fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SC20, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they do have a full white paper that you could find on their central, or sorry, on their what's it called, link tree, and they have tons of info on their pitch deck white paper. So it says overview of the Shine ecosystem. Anchored in the Shinechain blockchain, the ecosystem is formed by a secure and immutable network of chained blocks, aiming to boost its growth and expand its network. We integrate various startups, enhancing activity and increasing the system's scalability. Our mission is empowering users and startups by providing a secure and robust blockchain platform that facilitates efficient transactions and disruptive innovations. Their vision: aspiring to leadership in the blockchain solutions, expanding our network with a growing variety of partners and innovations. And their values: we prioritize scalability, integrity, and security We foster an open and committed community demonstrating transparency and trust, and this is just the beginning of our success. So it says overcoming challenges with the Shinechain. So some of the challenges people experience are service fragmentation, the integrated ecosystem, complex access and simplicity, and universal access. So the Shinechain blockchain has security and scalability, robust security and enhanced scalability by using the proof of stake protocol, POS protocol, which allows high volume of transactions per block and fast processing times. They're ensuring network integrity and sustainable growth. Also, the SC20 cryptocurrency used for transactions, paying network fees, and participating in consensus mechanisms in the network. They have validators, so blockchain participants who confirm transactions and maintain network security. Scalability, so processing capacity of 10,000 transactions per block every 2 seconds without compromising the network or user security. And proof of stake consensus protocol for blockchains that selects validators based on the amount of coins that they possess. So Shinechain SC20 is the native cryptocurrency of the Shine network with a maximum supply of 21 million units. In 2024, 3 million SC20 will be available, of which 1,190,909 are reserved for validation POS through holders. 500,000 are locked in the contract for reward payouts through 2024, and 500,000 are allocated to the ecosystem and marketing. The remaining 18 million tokens will be released gradually as rewards for validators through a smart contract, adding 600,000 tokens annually starting from 2025, concluding the process in 30 years. So the information and assessments provided are based on general understanding in the characteristics of the discussed blockchain networks, derived and accumulated knowledge of up to December 2023, including educational sources, technical reports, and blockchain industry analysis websites about their scalability that you could check out on their white paper. So in the ecosystem, with the what they have here is the incubator, liquidity, bridge, withdraw, venture capital, etc. So the Web3 bank offers a variety of financial services, from traditional options to solutions to cryptocurrency investors. It facilitates access to cryptocurrencies by allowing their direct use in the transactions via PIX and card purchases. So they have profit sharing, safe investments, launch pads. So you can learn more about the bank, which has a variety of assets, advanced security, RWA tokenization, a simple interface. They also have something called the Pancakeswap that you could check out as well. They go over all of that. They have GameFi. They have the labs. They have tons of information, their whole business model. You can find a full white paper in the link tree that's right there. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on Weex. So check out that Weex referral code down there in the description box. Tons of other big projects got listed on Weex today, so make sure you check out the other videos I posted today. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.